In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change your Shopify store name and URL. This is useful when you are rebranding, tightening up your business name, or simply making your store easier to recognize. We will update the store name that appears in your Shopify admin, and then, if it is available for your account, we will change the default myshopify.com address as well. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. From the left side menu, go to Settings. In Settings, select Store Details. This area contains your main business profile information, including the name customers and apps may see. In Store Details, find the Profile section and click Edit. You will see a field labeled Store Name. Click into that field and type the new name you want to use. Take a moment to double-check spelling and spacing, because this name can appear in places like receipts, notifications, and parts of your storefront, depending on your theme and settings. When you are ready, click Save. Saving is important because leaving the page without saving may discard your changes. Next, we will move to your store URL settings. Go back to Settings again, and this time, choose Domains. This page shows the domains connected to your Shopify store, including your default myshopify.com domain. On the Domains page, look for your current domain that ends with myshopify.com. This is the built-in address that Shopify assigns when the store is created. Near that section, look for a link that says Change to a new myshopify.com domain. Keep in mind that this option may not appear for every store or in every situation, so if you do not see it, you may not be able to change the myshopify.com address from here. If the link is available, click it and enter the new handle you want. This handle becomes the beginning of your myshopify.com domain, so choose something short, clear, and closely tied to your brand. After you enter the handle, click Add to confirm the change. Once it is added, you can return to the Domains page to verify that the new myshopify.com domain is listed correctly. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.